Alright?
Hindi.
Numbers namin. Number from 1 to 4.
Sa ulap mo.
1 to 5 is number 2 and 5. Judge number 4 is Mr. Roy B. Fabio.
Good evening, candidate number 7.
Hello, good evening, sir.
My question is, if you will be given a chance to be the crown this evening, how will you promote Kalabanga?
To be in this pageant is selfless. And to be selfless, you need a heart. And if you need a heart, and if I become the crown of Miss Kalabanga, I will pull my heart, my soul, by taking good care and making ambassador of goodwill. It is perfect for me to live in this Kalabanga. Because Kalabanga is a place where peace and security comes out. A place where the historical sites like Amang Hinulit and our natural resources are rich and understored. It is a beautiful people living in peace, love, and in harmony. A beautiful people